Hi guys, this is how to lock applications with password on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first go to settings either from home screen or from the control panel. Now scroll down to privacy and security or security and privacy. And here you need to find more security settings over here. Now tap on secure folder. If you used secure folder before you have a PIN, this is not your phone PIN. This is a separate PIN for secure folder and you have to know it, or otherwise you need to use your Samsung account to restore secure folder PIN or password. So enter your PIN. Now change these settings if you wish. So you set auto lock secure folder when screen turns off after 5 minutes or each time. Explore these settings for enhanced experience, and also go to lock type. Once again, enter your PIN, tap on continue, and you can set additional security, password or pattern, or enable biometrics, fingerprints, and so on. And now let's close one more setting, add secure folder to apps screen. So if you disable this feature, you have no way to access your secure folder. So now let's just close settings. Now swipe up from the bottom to open the apps screen and find your secure folder. Tap on that. Now unlock your folder. And now you can add applications here. Just tap on the plus icon, add some applications here, tap on add. If you wish to remove applications from secure folder, just tap and hold and uninstall, because if you uninstall the application from the secured folder, the main version of the app will remain on your phone. Also, you can select multiple applications and uninstall altogether. Some of them cannot be uninstalled. For example, gallery. You can't uninstall gallery, as you can see. Let's close for now. Now, as you can see, adding an app to the secure folder doesn't remove the main version, it simply creates a copy. So to remove main version from the home screen, go back to settings. Now scroll down to home screen section. And here find hide apps on home and app screens. And now select application you wish to hide. In this case, I wish to hide gallery. Let's tap on down. Now go back, and no more gallery here and no more gallery on the app screen. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye, guys.